how to open Canva design as Word document. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open up your Canva design as Word document. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then head over to canva.com and open up your design. Now, once you're done, tap on the share icon in the top right, and then you will see download option at the bottom. Just tap on it. Now, just tap on the file types drop down, and here you can see various options, but unfortunately you cannot see Word, but I'll show you a workaround. So save it as PDF first, so you can just download it. And then once it is downloaded as PDF, you can head over to this website called ilovepdf.com. So right on the home page, you can see PDF to Word converter. Just tap on it. And then you can select the PDF file and convert it to Word. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.